So this is pretty cool. They got like a Morgan Blue set up like a bike wash, free bike wash. Let's have a look.
Yeah, so sideline, so we manufacture a washing team. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we just base it up on obviously tailored price, but we've done sort of a lot of work in really looking at technology work. We've got one in the livestock at home. So we buy all the livestock and use it. You can't use it, except bring your own couple of size. I'm not even going to tell you how to use it. It's good if you use it. Yeah, he got 4 bikes, like 4%. Went back to the shop, tested it. Just in it. The big so I guess he can't do more hours a day, but he can do 10 hours plus. He was sort of saying like he probably would treat the gear and do all that. Probably
The controller, and so it's run by Bike Wash Australia, and that's their Facebook and website right there. Okay, so I thought that was a pretty cool product. It was at last year's Tour Down Under, and 2 things I liked about it. I'll go to their website. Is they use like a 2-stage filtration system, so they get rid of all the solids before it goes into the sewer pipe, and also they're using like 150 psi, so it's quite safe for. I reckon it's a sweet spot for cleaning bikes and won't cause issues with bearing seals and other parts of the bike. So I thought that was a good idea too, because I know my pressure washer, I got a Karcher and that I use to clean my bike, and I always trying to avoid all the bearings, and also keep it a bit far away, because it's not adjustable, and I think it's about 1,000 psi. So yeah, it can sort of damage things if you're not careful. All right, guys. So hope you like that one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.
Before day.